What are you looking here? Greenery. Look, this is the plant of rice. This is the plant of rice. And the environment of here is totally greenery. Are you feeling better?
Yes.
Okay, what the plant behind me?
Banana.
That is not tree, that is plant. This is what? Bananas plant. This is bananas plant, and this one is what? Rice plant. This one is rice plant. Look there. Look there. What is that? Maize. That is maize. That is maize plant. And now you are looking that side. There is nothing but bamboos. What is there?
Bamboos.
Bamboos. And what is the plant of that? What is the tree of that one? What is the name of that tree? That tree, black one.
Ice cream.
No. The name of this tree is palm tree. Speak with me. What is the name of that tree?
Palm tree.
Okay. And the name of this one is?
Banana plant.
Bananas plant. And this one, these all are what?
Rice plant.
Rice plant. Okay. Let's go with us. Look, now we have to know the English name of these all type of trees and plants. Do you know about this one? This is a mango tree. What is this?
This is a mango tree.
Okay. Do you like mango?
Yes.
You like mango?
Yes.
Okay. Do you take mango in the season of mango?
Yes.
Do you take mango?
Yes.
Okay. Now you look this side. You look here. This is a plant. This is a plant. In this plant, look. There is a vegetable. Are you looking?
Yes.
There is a vegetable. The name of this vegetable is what? Brinjal. This one is what? Brinjal. And we can say that this plant is the plant of brinjal. This is a brinjal plant. This is a brinjal plant. You look. What is this called? This one is creeper. This one is called what? Creeper. Creeper means क्या होता है? लता. Creeper means lata. The English of lata is creeper. What can you say this one? Creeper. Okay. And this is the creeper of what? Do you know? Do you know the name of the creeper of means what vegetable this one is? This is the creeper of a vegetable. And the name of the vegetable which is grown by this creeper is called ridge guard. This is the creeper of ridge guard. Do you know ridge guard? Nenua. The Hindi of ridge guard is what? Nenua. This is the creeper of what? Ridge guard. You have not to say in Hindi Nenua. You have to say in English. Just I'm asking with you English name of this creeper. Okay. This is the plant of this is a creeper of a vegetable, and the name of that vegetable is what? Ridge guard. What is the spelling of ridge guard? RIDGE. GOURD. Ridge guard. The Hindi of ridge guard is what? Nenua. This is the creeper of ridge guard. This is the creeper of ridge guard. If like this type of you look in the field somewhere else, then you can say this one in English creeper. What is this? Creeper. You have seen here mango tree. You have seen a creeper of a ridge guard. Here you have just before sometimes seen the plant of a vegetable. This is the plant of a vegetable, and the name of this vegetable is what? Brinjal. Look here, brinjal also is available. In this you look here, there is brinjal, and this is the flower of brinjal. Okay, this is the flower of brinjal. First what happens? This plant gives flower, and that flower turns into vegetable, and the name of this vegetable is what? Brinjal. Okay, now we have to look this side. Okay, now you have to make the circle. You have to make the circle. Come this side also. Come this side. Okay. Make a circle. I told you for making a circle. Look, here we are going to know something about a new plant. Okay, this is also a plant. This is also a plant. Is this a tree or plant? Plant. This is not a tree. You have to know the difference between plant and tree also. This is what? Plant. And the plant of, this is the plant of what? A vegetable. This is the plant of a vegetable. And what is the name of this vegetable? Very nice. The name of this plant is lady's finger. How are you feeling to come in this greenery? Okay. You have got many of the names today of vegetable, and directly we have seen the plant of those vegetables also. Here also this is a plant of a vegetable, and the name of this vegetable is lady's finger. And this is not a tree, but this is a plant. And here again you are looking, there is a plant of vegetable, but this vegetable is what? Brinjal. What is the color of this one? Purple color. What is the color of this one? Purple. Have you understood about the difference between plant and tree?
Yes.
Have you understood?
Yes.
Okay. Cashin, you tell, how are you feeling to come here?
I am feeling very well to come here
Why?
because there is greenery around us.
And you are knowing many of the names of vegetables also.
Yeah, I am knowing many of the names of vegetables also.
Is it good for the students?
Yeah, it is good for the students.
What's your name?
My name is Iswat.
This type of class is necessary?
Yeah, this type of class is necessary.
Is this type of class necessary for learning about trees and plants?
Yes, sir. This class is very necessary for learning about plants and trees.
Cashin, you tell, learning about trees and plants is necessary?
Yeah, learning about trees and plants is necessary.
How are you feeling to come here to know something about trees and plants?
I am feeling really well to come here and know something about plants and trees.
Have you known today about the difference between plant and trees?
Yeah, I have known today the difference between plants and trees.
Okay, very nice. Now we have to go. How is this class now? Have you felt well to go there? Today we have known about greenery. Today we have known about trees and plants. Today we knew that what is the difference between trees and plants, and we went to the field also. We went to the field of the vegetables. We went to the field of rice and paddy. We went to the garden also, and we have known after going there the difference between trees and plants. About some plants we have known. We have known about plants of brinjal, plants of lady's finger, and one thing we have known today about creeper. Creeper means lata. Creeper means lata. And the creeper, what you seen to go there, what the creeper was for what vegetable? That was for the ridge guard. New thing we have got today, what? Ridge guard. Ridge guard means what? Nenua. About brinjal. Brinjal means bagan. The plant of brinjal first give what? Flower. And that flower turns into vegetable. And the name of that vegetable is brinjal. And what is the color of brinjal? And we have known about creeper, we have known about brinjal, we have known about lady's finger, we have known about bananas plant, we have known about rice plant. We have known about bamboos also. Directly we went to the field and we have known about this all. Is it good for you all? Yes. Okay, thank you.